Sometimes when you open up a freezer, you find some item that you have purchased long time ago and you forgot about it. And then this is what I found a couple days ago, a box of shrimp. They were not in the best shape, so I had to cook them immediately. And the first thing that came across my mind was garlic shrimp. And this is what I made today using only the ingredients that I have in the house. Garlic shrimp with potato rosti. Let's start. In my fridge, I found some old onions and red peppers, so why don't we just use them? I think they're the leftovers from the miso cod episode, so let's just chop them up and use it. I found some parsley in the fridge, so let's just use these. Pick the parsley and chiffonade. For garlic shrimp, you need garlic, of course. And let's use the half of the Anaheim chili. This is not the best kind for the rosti, but I only had the white potatoes in the pantry, so I just sliced them with the mandolin and then julienne. Because it's a waxy potato, I added some flour, seasoned with salt and pepper, and some eggs for the binding agent, and then mix everything. Heat some butter and oil on a hot pan. Use the ring mold to shape the rosti, and you're stacking them up about 1 centimeter thickness. Flip the rosti once they turn into a nice golden brown color. And immediately baste them with the cooking oil to make them extra crispy. Did I say crispy? No, it's crispy. Sweat the onions on a medium-low heat. Add garlic slices, red pepper, and chili. Once the garlic starts turning brown, add shrimp to the pan. Cook for 1 minute and then flip. Finish with a tablespoon of butter and nicely coat everything. Now we have everything ready. Place the rosti in the center. Stack 2 pieces of shrimp on top of it. And use some of the cooked garlic and chili. Add another layer of rosti on a slightly offset position. 2 more pieces of shrimp on top. More garlic and chili. Garnish with parsley chiffonade. And drizzle some extra virgin olive oil. Man, this looks pretty good, doesn't it? Why don't you go through your fridge and freezer today and see what you can make out of it? Especially in these tough times with COVID-19, let's not waste any ingredients. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more ways to reducing recipes.